Today, we're talking about something you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now: olive oil. It's known as a superfood, rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and endless benefits for your heart and overall health. But did you know that this liquid gold could be doing more harm than good if you're not careful? That's right. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can add to your diet. But here's the kicker. If you're making common mistakes, you might be ruining its health benefits entirely. Or worse, you could be risking your health. From cooking at the wrong temperatures to buying fake olive oil, these are mistakes that many of us make without even knowing. In today's video, I will reveal the 5 deadly olive oil mistakes that could be ruining your health. Some of these might surprise you. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid these pitfalls so you can get the full health benefits from this Mediterranean staple. Whether you're using olive oil for cooking, salad dressings, or just dipping your bread, knowing how to use and store it properly can make all the difference. So stick around, because this information is crucial for anyone who cares about their health and wants to avoid costly mistakes in the kitchen. Now, let's jump into it. Here are the 5 deadly olive oil mistakes you should stop making today. First up, mistake number 1. Cooking with the wrong type of olive oil. You've probably heard that extra virgin olive oil is the healthiest, right? While that's true, it's not the best choice for high heat cooking like frying or roasting. Why? Because it has a lower smoke point. When you heat extra virgin olive oil too much, it can break down and release harmful compounds. These can lead to inflammation in your body over time, exactly what you're trying to avoid by eating healthy. Instead, use refined or light olive oil for frying and save that extra virgin for salads, drizzling, or low-heat dishes. Next up, mistake number 2, storing your olive oil the wrong way. Did you know that light, heat, and air are your olive oil's worst enemies? When exposed, the oil can go rancid, losing its flavor and all those amazing nutrients. Rancid olive oil doesn't just taste bad. It can contribute to oxidative stress in your body, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. To avoid this, store your oil in a cool, dark place, and always choose dark or opaque bottles to keep the light out. Mistake number 3 is a big one: buying fake or low-quality olive oil. Shockingly, up to 80% of the extra virgin olive oil sold globally is either fake or adulterated. That means you could be getting a blend of cheaper oils, or even oil that's been chemically refined. These oils don't have the same health benefits, and worse, they can contain additives that may cause inflammation or digestive issues. To make sure you're getting the real deal, look for certifications like the PDO or COC seals, check the origin label, and buy from trusted brands. Mistake number 4 is using expired or rancid olive oil. Olive oil doesn't last forever, and if it's been sitting around too long, it can go bad. Rancid oil has an unpleasant smell and a bitter taste, and leaves a sticky residue. Using expired oil can lead to digestive problems and increase the number of free radicals in your body, which we know speeds up aging and disease. Make sure to check the expiration date and use olive oil within 6 to 12 months of opening. And finally, mistake number 5, overusing olive oil in your diet. Yes, olive oil is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, but too much of a good thing is still too much. 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains around 120 calories. So if you're drizzling it over everything, those calories can add up quickly, potentially leading to weight gain or metabolic issues. Stick to about 1 tablespoon per meal and balance it with other healthy fats like nuts or avocado to keep your diet in check. So there you have it. 5 deadly olive oil mistakes that could be ruining your health. Are you guilty of any of these? Don't worry, it's never too late to make a change. Just remember, the right type of olive oil, proper storage, and mindful usage will keep you on track toward better health.